welcome to my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, then go ahead and do that and click that notification bell so you can be notified of new content that comes out, because I am keeping up now. I am creating more videos, so hit that notification bell so y'all can be on time with the video, so y'all can get it as soon as I drop it. So yes, and also if you like this video, which I'm sure you will, then don't forget to comment, like, and share my video, period. So yesterday I did these Cajun lemon pepper hot wings and these lemon pepper steppers, the lemon pepper wings, and they were so good. And you know your girl is doing the whole keto thing, and I just wanted to share this video just for, like, I'm sure my people who have been on keto for a while, you already know that hot wings is like a go-to. But if you're just starting out with keto and you really don't know where to go with it, you are just confused and kind of lost with ideas and where to start, hot wings was like one of the first things that I did, because a lot of people don't realize that hot wings are actually keto. Yes, like hot wings from Wingstop, hot wings from Buffalo Wild Wings, those are keto wings. As long as it does not have a batter on it and the sauce is low carb, then it is definitely a keto food item. So when I first started out on keto, hot wings was like my go-to. I was always going to Wingstop. But yes, so I'm creating them in the kitchen now, and I'm going to show you like the sauces that I do, which are really just butter sauces. Even the buffalo sauce, yes, are butter sauces. So as you can see behind me, I already have my 2 skillets on the stove with the butter already melting in there, and you can hear a little bit of the frying. I have my last batch of chicken that came out. So what I'm going to do, this video is going to be really short and sweet, really simple. We're going to get straight to the point, and then we're going to be out of here. So I am just showing y'all how I do my sauces for the wings, and then we're going to sauce them up and serve, period. So yeah, so the wings, I really don't do anything to the wings. I do season the wings up myself, but if you're eating wings from places like Wingstop or Buffalo Wild Wings or any of your favorite hot wing spots, then they really don't season the wing at all. They put the wing and the wings in the fryer just naked with no seasoning, and they deep fry them that way, and then they put the sauces on the wings. But you know me, you know your girl, I season my wings prior to. Even though when the wing hits the grease, some of the seasoning is gonna fall off, but some of that seasoning is gonna stick to the wing, you know what I'm saying? So yes, I season my wings all up, and then I dip them in the air fryer. And y'all also know me, y'all know that I like my stuff fried a little hard, a little crispy, and sometimes just a little burn around the edges. So I like my wings like that too, just because I don't like the taste of the fat and all that. But anyway, we about to get right to it. So what I'm about to show y'all next is really how I'm going to season and sauce up the butter, and which is really simple, and then I'm just gonna sauce the wings and plate them after that. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to it. So before we sauce up, before we season everything, I'm gonna show y'all what I put in my butter, and it's only a few ingredients in both. So for the Cajun lemon pepper hot wings, I literally just use Old Bay seasoning for the Cajun flavor, hot sauce for that buffalo sauce, and my brand of hot sauce is always going to be Louisiana hot sauce. Nothing tastes like it, nothing compares. I don't care what you say, it just does not. And then of course I use lemon pepper, and I use lemon pepper in both the plain lemon pepper wings and then the Cajun lemon pepper hot wings. I mean, does Cajun lemon pepper hot wings. So yeah, and then just some garlic paste for flavor. And so we about to season up this sauce, this butter. Okay, y'all can see I have my 2 skillets with the butter in both of them. I only have about 12 or 13 pieces a piece, so it's like 26, 25 pieces. So first I'm going to do this one as my buffalo sauce. I may need more butter. I did a half a stick of butter in each one of the saucepans. So I'm going to pour my hot sauce, and the burners are still on. I'm gonna pour my hot sauce in there like that. And you know when it's a buffalo sauce, when it has that creamy, light colored texture of red. I was trying to find my whisk. So when the butter and the hot sauce mix together and it creates that light butter sauce, that light buffalo sauce, and that's how you know it's pretty much a buffalo sauce. I'm gonna put just a little bit more hot sauce because I have more butter than I do hot sauce right now. So I'm gonna add a few more dabs like that. And you can still see, like on the outside, you see butter, so it's not completely mixed in. There may still be a little bit more butter to hot sauce. Okay. So I actually think that's pretty good. So now I'm just gonna sauce it, season it up with the other sauces. So now you have basically your buffalo sauce, and you can literally leave it like this and just sauce your wings like this as your buffalo style hot wings. But of course we got to do something a little extra. So I'm gonna take that Old Bay seasoning so we can add that Cajun effect to it. And y'all, I used unsalted butter. I'll show y'all the butter that I used. So we're gonna make sure we get the seasoning blended in. And I'm going to put just a little bit more of that Old Bay seasoning in there. And then I'm taking the lemon pepper seasoning and putting in there as well. We're just gonna mix that up. And outside of the garlic paste, this is really your sauce. You can literally leave it here. You can see those flakes of lemon pepper in there and that Old Bay seasoning that's floating around in there. You can literally leave it like this. Just gonna add a touch more. Or you can put the garlic paste in there, which is what I'm going to do, which adds more flavor. All right, now look at that sauce. So then you'll just taste your sauce, and if it tastes like that's the flavor that you're going for, then by all means you can stop and there's your sauce. But if you feel like you need to add more seasons in it, then go ahead and do so. So we're about to season up the lemon pepper, and then we're gonna toss our wings and plate them, and we're gonna eat because I'm hungry. My family's hungry. So yeah, we about to get this done. Okay, now we're about to do our lemon pepper butter. So of course, all you really need is your lemon pepper seasoning. And look, we almost out. But then I am going to add just a little bit of garlic flavor. So we can call these garlic lemon pepper wings. Okay. And then this is literally your seasoning, your butter sauce. This is literally your butter sauce for your lemon pepper wings. So yeah, that's really all that you're doing to your sauce for your lemon pepper wings. If you want to put the garlic flavor in there, you can. You don't have to. I didn't yesterday, but I'm doing it today just because I'm just trying to give it that little oomph, you know. But all you really do, if you want just regular lemon pepper wings, if you want only lemon pepper wings, then you just do your butter and your lemon pepper, and that's your seasoning, that's your sauce for your lemon pepper wings. And then what I do is I sprinkle extra lemon pepper seasoning on top of my wings. Yeah, so you can make sure they sauced up, seasoned up. All right, so we're about to, I'm doing half and half on my wings. So half of the Cajun lemon pepper hot wings, and then half of the garlic lemon pepper wings. So I'm about to get, like, you could do like any bowl, you just drop your sauce in there and then you shake your sauce up, and that's how you sauce your wings up. So I'm going to try to capture that as best as I can. But yeah, we're gonna see. All right, y'all, so everything is sauced up, and this is the final look. These are our Cajun lemon pepper hot wings over here. And then over here, we have our garlic lemon pepper wings. And remember, I told y'all that I like my chicken extra crispy, so don't be talking about me talking about my chicken is burnt. It's just a little on the crispy Cajun side, you know? But yes, I hope y'all try these at home. These are so good and perfect for your keto meal, beginner keto friendly, everything. All right, y'all, so thank you all for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this video. So I do hope y'all try the sauces on y'all wings, and make sure y'all cook y'all wings how y'all like y'all wings. Don't worry about my wings, cook them how y'all like them. Let me know in the comment section when you try your wings, and let me know how yours turned out. So yes, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video. All right.